Hi, wish you a very happy new year because this is the first video I'm shooting for you in 2022. I know things aren't like the happiest around, but I know a community that whenever something's happening, we try our best to like find the one reason to keep going at it, to stay positive and do the best. So I thought that let's start on a note that you and I both enjoy doing a lot, which is finding great things under a budget. So this haul is very special and there are two reasons for that. Number one is that Amazon is having a massive sale जो बस अभी live होने ही वाला है या हो चुका है. I think it's called the Great Republic Day Sale. अभी Amazon पे साल में 3-4 बड़ी सेल्स आते हैं, but ये वाला is one of like the big ones. इस सेल में there's up to 80% off on like 40 lakh plus styles, which is great. It can also be a lot, which is I have sorted like my favorite items from the lot to help you out. And the second exciting news is that you can save extra 15% off over and above the sale prices, and that is possible only because of Letty Shops. Now, Letty Shops is a free cashback app which gives you extra cashback. They have Amazon, Ajio, Myntra, Big Bazaar, and any store you can think of under the sun. Now I have a very distinct style, which is why I like sharing hauls with you of my particular style ke kapde. You know that I've been using Letty Shops to buy all the clothes that I've been showing you, because a lot of times when I used to order from Myntra or Ajio directly, like I was not getting any additional cashback on all of these purchases. So basically I was losing all of that cashback. And in that moment वो amount छोटा लग सकता है कि अरे just 50 और 100 rupees extra मिल रहा है, but eventually Amazon से हम कितनी चीजें order करते हैं on the daily, वो पूरी amount बड़ी होकर easily becomes 5-10,000 और पता भी नहीं चलता. That too with like moderate shopping, like Big Bazaar से groceries हो गया, Amazon से essentials हो गया, उसी से एक साल में आराम से amount हो जाता है. So place the download link in the description box down below. But let me start with the haul. So the theme of this video, as you saw from the title, are tops under rupees 599. So मेरा personal taste in tops is like very sober, chic style, जो कोई भी simple denim के साथ बहुत ही elevated look देना चाहिए. So that's what you can expect from me in this video. Now the very first top is this mint green color का top, जो बहुत ही smart लगता है because इसमें structure है in the shoulders, in the waistline, और जो इसके buttons है बीच में वो same fabric और exact same color के है जो top का है. Sleeves पे there's a very broad cuff with the same two small buttons, and overall इसका look and overall इसका लुक बहुत ही स्मार्ट है. That was such a typical गुजराती accent. इस टॉप में ज़्यादा स्ट्रेच नहीं है, so जब आप ऑर्डर प्लेस करो तो ऑर्डर exactly your size or a little bigger. So usually a top like this comes quite heavy on the pocket क्योंकि इसका वाइब वैसा है, but this top I found for you only in rupees 349. Now the second top is this plain pink top with a mock neck. इस टॉप में स्ट्रेच भी है तो ये आपकी बॉडी को हक करेगा if you order like perfectly your size. अगर आपको oversize लुक चाहिए तो आपको 2-3 साइजेस बड़ा मंगाना पड़ेगा. This cute pink top was for rupees 218. Third I have this red color का top जिसमें ruching है in the center. तो अगर आप ये strings को खींचोगे so it will become a super crop top depending on your comfort level. तो अगर आपको बहुत ही crop top पहनना अच्छा लगता है तो आप उसको पूरा खींच लो. If you want it to be just a little bit cropped then you can pull it a little bit and tie a bow right there. And ये top था only for rupees 449. Fourth top is a white color top. Now I know कि white color जल्दी से बहुत डर लगता है पहनने में because foundation stains and what not can ruin it very easily, which is why I've included it in this video कि on a budget it's easier to like go for it. इसका fabric हल्का सा polyester ही है, so remember that when you're placing an order for this. When I was ordering for all of this before the sale, so that I can show you, मुझे तभी ये top सिर्फ 404 का पड़ा था, so I can only imagine after the sale hits you, it's going to be even better. Now honestly this video idea came to me when it was Kumar's birthday. So basically the top that I ended up wearing for Kumar's birthday is this crop top which is black, completely black. It has sort of a V-neck and I thought personally it looked really good, and it was for what, 250 rupees. So fashion doesn't always have to be like super expensive for you to be able to rock it. It was magical. His birthday, it was one of the best birthdays I personally feel like. I'm so glad that every year successfully we've been able to step it up. So do wait for the vlog. It's coming very soon. Footage बहुत ही ज़्यादा लंबी है, so it's taking me time to edit. तो मैंने 3-4 black tops order करके रखे थे back then. So one of those is this V-neck black top जिसका neckline काफ़ी interesting है because ये boat neck जैसा है but in a V form. So it's going to look like almost an off shoulder but it's not really going to be off shoulder. Length भी इसकी काफ़ी अच्छी है and the sleeves have some drama going on. This top was only for 309 rupees. And continuing the evening like outdoor vibe, this rose pink like dusty pink off shoulder top caught my eye because the color is very like English, very pretty, muted, and these kind of colors na budget में जल्दी से मिलते नहीं हैं. The elastic is thin so it's not going to like take a lot of attention on the top itself. ये top मुझे मिला था for 322 rupees. Then I found this 4 corset vibe वाला navy blue top. This was also one contender I had picked for Kumar's birthday because he was going to wear a navy blue sort of a top. तो मैंने सोचा था अगर वो navy blue पहनेगा तो मैं ये पहन लूंगी to twin. It's not like I decide my outfit first and then he'll match something. I let him decide his outfit first and I'll match him something. Let me know और किस किस के साथ ये होता है with your partners. One thing I have with this is कि ये मुझे काफी short लगा. Even with a high waisted pair of denim, it was still leaving a lot of space on my belly. So if you don't like very short crop tops, then ये शायद आपको पसंद नहीं आएगा. But अगर आप comfortable हो, then this looks so flattering. This top was around ₹400. Moving back to daytime, we have this white top which has like work on it, थोड़ा सा embroidery on it all over. This is a very Zara vibe. I think 3 years ago they launched a top which looked so similar to this and almost everybody back then had it. Well, this top is for ₹424. Okay, so now I'll tell you कि Letyshops exactly use कैसे करना है, because actually it's super easy to use. You just have to download the app from the link in the description box down below, and if you use that particular link जो मैंने डाली है, you will get 3 times the amount of normal cashback on Amazon. मतलब आपको आपके first order पे 15% cashback मिलेगा. So after you have downloaded the app, you can sign up by putting in your email ID and password, and then you will see all the available apps like Amazon, Ajio, Myntra. You just have to select the store on which you want to go to. For example, I will select the store Amazon. So you have to click the blue button which says go to store, and it will take you to Amazon's app, and now you just have to shop normally like how you always do. But to make sure कि आपका Amazon reward हर बार log हो, make sure कि you're adding the products to your cart only after going through Letyshops and not directly. Like पहले से products cart में add कर दिए, फिर सिर्फ checkout के लिए Letyshops use मत करना. Go through Letyshops and then only add everything. And remember that our Amazon rewards will get tracked from 24 to 48 hours after your order is shipped. So don't worry, वो time तो लगता है उतना, but it will get tracked. That's the normal timeline. So now we'll continue back to the haul. Well, the next thing is this pink top which is so soft. This is the softest of all the tops because जब हम budget में shop कर रहे होते हैं, the material is something that is going to be very different from our normal tops. आगे से भी इसका cut बहुत ही pretty है, and this color is to die for. This top was for ₹404 only. Another evergreen top is this black top जिसमें literally कोई भी अलग detailing नहीं है. There's just a round neck, full sleeves, and something that will fit your body really well. And surprisingly, this looked the best out of everything that I bought, because when your body is in like a good shape, simple clothing actually looks really good. I feel ऐसा एक top closet में होना I think is a must have. This one I had gotten for around ₹299 only. Then I have this V-neck top. So there's like a crossing going on in the front, and it has very short sleeves. It's a proper crop top. नीचे there's like a big band. So a maroon color looks very beautiful with dark blue or a black pair of bottoms. This top was for $359 when I bought it. Then in true Hailey style, I have this black and white checkered shirt. Now I love layering shirts with like plain spaghettis. I raid so many of Kumar's clothes. Like I raid his closet all the time, and you don't know na, when I'm posting a story on Instagram of my outfit ki अच्छा ये कुमार के wardrobe से चुराया हुआ clothing item है basically. So I think I should make a video of styling my boyfriend's outfits. But basically I've started buying my own shirts now because I don't want to ruin all of his shirts by stealing them and wearing them a lot. Long story short, try wearing an oversized shirt on a camisole. It's a bomb look. This shirt I got on Amazon only for ₹399 back in the day. You will recognize this style of a top because this is true Zoella style. When Zoe used to upload back to back like in the golden days on her main channel, she would wear stuff like this all the time. So finding like this on a budget in just ₹577 is gold. The fabric for this is also quite soft. I then chose this floral white spaghetti top because I love spaghetti, I love strappy things. White and floral is a very fun design. But this is a proper vacation vibe top. You can wear white shorts underneath this or even denim shorts underneath this with white flats and it look very cute. And then one of the final things that I could get before shooting this for you was this black top with a square neckline. Very smart, very long. If that's your comfort zone, that is why I picked this up for you. Fun way to play with fashion. जब भी आपका preference covered clothing है, is to experiment with different necklines and different kinds of sleeves. So that is where you can add all the drama in your outfit. ये top था around ₹300 or $350 जब मैंने इसको order किया था. But there are so many things in my wish list जो मुझे लेना है in the sale that I'll buy with you, and I'll show you each and everything अभी. The first thing are these sleeveless polo t-shirts. Oh my god, I bought a very same thing from the mall for ₹790. I think this is wonderful. I want to get like a lot of colors in this. there's a similar vibe but in like a shorter sleeve version, which can be an alternative for everybody who doesn't like wearing sleeveless. Then there is this lantern sleeves wala top which is black, and I'm thinking it is satin finished. Looking at the picture, looks so good. I can't believe it's so $399 right now. Then I have these camisoles which have a zip detailing in the front, जो काफी अच्छे लगते हैं. So all of them are priced between $375 to $399. And then there's another one which has chain detailing on the strap. That's also very, very cute. And then there are so many chunky sneakers on the app right now which are very cool looking. So I love this one which has black, grey, yellow and pink combo. There's also like an all pink and a pastel vibe. They're between $399 to $699, which is crazy. Just size up and wear a comfy sock with it and you will find it very, very comfortable. There's a bunch of cute slip-ons. So there's this pink, teal and white wala combo which is only for $266, and then there's another baby pink one for $400. There's this pair of heels which has a clear heel and a braided front for $499. I so want it in the color olive. It's not available, so I think pink is what I'll have to get. I hope they restock by the time the sale hits. I highly recommend you to check out jewelry in the sale because I have a few necklaces from Amazon. I think एक साल भर से ज़्यादा हो गया and they've not tarnished that much. Tarnish हुआ है that I'm not going to be like कि नहीं बिल्कुल tarnish नहीं हुआ, but इतने भी नहीं हुए for the price. Like there's this lock one which almost everybody had. It was for 172 rupees. But these are some of my finds from Amazon this time. I hope I could help you in getting a good deal in the sale. I've understood that when I shop in advance from the sale तब आपको सबसे ज़्यादा help होती है. So I hope we can continue doing this for the entire year. But do remember to check out Letty Shops from the link that I've left in the description box down below. And if you already have Letty Shops app, then do remember to go to Amazon through it and make sure you're getting the extra 15% cashback on your purchases. Just try it once on any one purchase and you will be amazed at how much you can save every time by just adding one step to your shopping routine. So as per usual, if you enjoyed watching this video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future episodes in this entire year. If you did not enjoy watching this video, bindas you can give it a thumbs down. I will see you in a brand new video very, very soon. Until then, goodbye!